where I got some of my dolls from.
So I thrifted this doll, and I really liked her. She's a Baby Alive Time for School baby. I bought this doll from Walmart. Her name is Jayla. She has a twin named Kayla. I found this doll at a thrift store a few cities down. This one I got at the store with my own money. This doll right here is this is Kayla, and I thrifted her. This is Mary, and a very, very long time ago, like years ago, I thrifted her. Years back, when I was a kid, I got this brand new as a Christmas gift. This doll I got from a yard sale, and I know she's really beat up. This doll right here, I ended up buying from a thrift store, and